Hello, let's take a look at our new BCF building collaboration format functionality within Vertex BD. Firstly, within the Archives tab, you have IFC PCF Manager. Select that. Once selected, a dialog box will open. Within here, select to create a new file. Give the file a name, and once complete, now within the header of the dialog box, you can see the name too, and we're ready to add a new topic. To add a new topic, we simply right-click and select the Add New Topic option. This will transition us to a new window within the dialog box. Within here, we add our new topic as roof colour. We then select the type as requested and set it to In Progress and add a description. Within the next section, we can give viewpoints. We select the drop-down here and select the Add New Viewpoint option. We then, utilising our mouse, zoom out our model slightly and use the Select function to select our entire model. With the model selected, we then hit the V key on our keyboard. With that complete, we can now see the view we have just created in the dialog box. If I wanted to create another one, we would go back to the viewpoint drop-down and select the second option. With that selected, let's say I want to create a view of only the roofs. We select these and then again press the V key from the keyboard. As you can see, now we have two viewpoints. First we created and the one of our roofs. Below the viewpoint section, you can add comments. To do this, we select the plus icon as shown, type out our comment and then select OK. With that now complete, we select the OK at the bottom of the dialog box window, and we are then ready to save the BCF file. By default, this will be saved under our project we are working on, and you can name the save file as required here. If you would like to go back and reopen the file, simply select the drop-down arrow here, and the software has remembered the last one worked on for you to quickly reopen as required. From the same drop-down, you can also create a new one should you wish. Next, we have opened the IFC from within BD from the project document browser. We have opened this within Solibri Viewer. Within the Communications tab, here you can add a new view presentation. In our case, it's at the bottom here, so we select this BCF file and press Open. Once selected, here are the different views including our roof view and our whole project view. Here we add a comment stating red is OK and select Enter. We then, within the drop-down here, change the status from In Progress to Result, and then with that done, we finalise the answer by the report option shown here, filling out the report title and then selecting the Save option. From here, let's continue and have a look at the answer report from the point of view of the end user. Within Vertex, we go back to the IFC BCF Manager and select Open File. We then select to open our answer report BCF, and within the dialog box, we right-click the file and select View Topic. Here, the customer can review the report and see that their request to use red is accepted, and thus they can change the status drop-down to Closed as shown. Thank you for joining us and showcasing our new BCF building collaboration format functionality within Vertex BD.